Alright, I wanted to hit record right before it broke $100. So today we're going to go over the trades that I made today. Right now, we're going to go over the trades I made today. But real quick, we're going to watch KRTX break $100, which might be tough. I'm assuming it's going to be pretty heavy resistance here. And I think it's going to happen. Well, I know it's going to happen eventually. 99.49. Bids are at 99. Oh, boom! $100. Dang. This is insane because my first entry on this stock today was at 36.14, I think. But we're going to go over that. So it hit 100. That's awesome. Currently, I am up $1,453 on this stock alone. I did make another trade and lost 60 bucks, I think. It was small, kept it small, but I got out of it basically because I was like, I'm going to get back in this one because it has been a beast. And I'll upload later my live trading as well. So I'm going to change this back to a minute chart. This would be a good spot to get in for like $100 if you can afford it. I mean, it's a $9,500 position, but I mean, every dollar that it rips is $100. Getting at 95 up to 100, boom, $500 profit. That easy. So by the time this video ends, I bet it's going to be back up. I'm going to go ahead and put a mark here, 95, and just be like, that's where I said to dip by. And then in a minute, we'll see where it's at. But let's go look at all of my. Not as many as I thought. Okay. So I traded 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. My rule basically is to trade 3 times a day, but in situations like this, fuck the rule. Because, I mean, I'm up, total on the day I'm up $1,393. So, now let's go back. We'll go over the one trade that I lost money on really quick, just to get it out of the way. CTIB, and this was kind of like, I'm gonna buy a lottery ticket kind of play because it's super low float, and it was, you know, it hit the scanners, but it was like the lowest float that hit the scanners, so that's why we were watching it, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna jump in with 2,000 shares because it would be basically a $2,000 position, $2,100 at most. So I jumped in on this candle here at 109. It did pop up to like 114, whatever. It wasn't, you know, I was waiting for it to be like 120, 130. Never happened. So I just market ordered out, got filled at 106, $60 loss. Boom, done with that one. Now let's go over to KTRX, the only other stock that I traded. Ooh, I was wrong. It would have been a bad place to get in. Look at that. Ugh, that's ugly. 91 might be a good spot. 90, I don't know. I mean, it's really at this point, I mean, it's just scary. You just got to wait for consolidation to happen and it to turn around and start going back up. So, I mean, this is a trade I just took the afternoon to make a little bit of extra money. But most of my trades happen right here, and that is just a mess. I don't think we're going to be able to spread this out enough to go over. My first entry, 36.14. 36. Is it the line? Yep, 30, no. Ugh, this is driving me insane. So it's just a hair below that line. So a hair below this line here, 36.14. And I bought 100 shares. And then I bought another 100 shares at 36.64. Sold 50 at 37.07. Oops. There we go. Sold another 50 at 37.98, and another 50 at 39.23. Okay, go away. 25 at 42.96. And 25 at 43.13. And then I bought another 100 shares at 43.83 and ended up selling at 40.74 for a little loss, but I was still definitely in the green. How many times? So I bought 100 shares at 41.44, added 200 at 43.09. Oh wow, man, this is hard to keep up with. Let's just go look at it this way. So, like I said, I bought 100 here at 36.14, added 100 at 36.64, selling 50, 37.07, 50 at 37.98, 50 at 39.23, 25 at 42.96, and 25 at 43.13. That's a pretty good amount. I think it was up like $800 then. Then I bought 100 at 83 or 43.83, sold them at 40.74. Now that was like a $300 loss. So at this time I'm up like $480, $500, something like that. So then I got back in with $100 at 41.40, selling at 41.68. So I made a little bit of that back. Got back in with 200 shares at 43.09 because I was really thinking it was going to do well because I went a little heavy. So this was like a, let's see, 4.8, almost $9,000 position. Scaling out, first one at 50 shares at 43.75, 50 at 45, 50 at 45.70, and the remaining 50 at 44.32. So very good profit there. And then I took this, little trade here that I lost 60 bucks on. No big deal. Got back into KRTX with 100 shares at 51.67, selling half at 53.44 and half at 54.66. Now each time I do this, if I buy here with 100 shares, as soon as it reaches 52.67, that's $100. So 53.44, that's almost $200. So total, this trade was like probably $210, $220 extra dollars. Got back in with 100 shares at 58.58, selling at 54.51. So I lost 100 there. This is the heaviest position I went in. So 200 shares at 58.51. I think I added that up. It was like $14,000 position. Sold half at 59.94, so that was $100 locked in there. Sold 25 at 60.50, 25 at 61.17, 25 at 61.90, and the remaining 25 at 63.16. This trade put me up. I think it put me back to like 800 or 900 on the day. And then here during the lunch hours, which is another rule that I broke, but I mean it's been beasting all day. So after lunch I was putting my son down and I was watching it on my phone, and I bought 100 shares, market ordered in at 78.70, put him down, pick up my phone, it's at 83 I think. So I waited for a little bit, it dropped down a little, I sold 50 at 82.50, and then I held the other 25 until I got up to, my goal was 85. Once it got to 85, it immediately hits 86, pulls back, and I'm like, I'm just gonna wait. And as soon as it hit 87, I hit sell on the ask, and apparently the ask had jumped to 29 and that quick. So the last remaining shares at 87.29. So best entry 36.14, best exit 87.29. Not bad at all. Finishing up on that trade, $1,453. Ooh, look at that pullback. That's the best pullback it's had all day. Little consolidation, another little drop. Now it's trying to consolidate more. It's either going to stair step down or eventually curl back up. I mean, it's just now coming out of lunch hours, so by 3 o'clock, if it hasn't hit 100 again, it might drop. So that's not bad at all. 1,393 to add to my profits. And over here on Trader View, I will pull this screen over so we can look at it. and I was up $2,532 before today. I think I haven't added 14. Ooh, maybe I have more. I honestly don't even know where I'm at right now. I need to add trades from Friday, I think. Maybe Saturday, or not Saturday. Ooh, 14. Okay, so I need to add Friday's trades and today, and I don't even remember what I made Friday. Oops. So, as of Thursday, I was up 25.32. So I'll add Friday's trades and today's trades. Let's see, and I will see right now what I made Friday. Friday made $380. So 380 plus 1393 plus 25, I already forgot. 2532. Ooh, I'm up $4,308. Man, that's amazing. So, as of November 1st, I was break even with my $5,000 account, and today I'm up $4,300. Let's go look at. I'm still getting used to TraderView. Boom. So October 30th, I started my small account. I made $290 on my first day with a $5,000 account, and on the second day I lost $319, so I was in the hole. And then on the first day in November I made $258, so I still was in the hole a little bit. So basically, since November 1st, I've made $4,400, or $4,350 if you want to be really exact. So it's pretty spectacular. Wednesdays seem to be a good day for me. Mondays seem to be terrible, but today's Monday, so we're gonna fix that. It's good to see a lot of green squares and very little red squares. That's awesome. Because obviously green is days you make money, red is days you lose money. So anyways, that's my trading today. Just 2 stocks. One obviously scalped a bunch of times. The second one was just a dud. Yeah, see, it's stair stepping down. People are slowly taking profits. I still think it could curl back around and hit 100 again, but I mean, it could, hit 100 one time and just that be it. People, they got it there, they're done with it. Now it's just slowly trading its way down. People are scaling out, trying to take their profits. So stock trading is it's crazy, really, if you think about it, because there's just hundreds of thousands, if not millions, of people out there just watching this chart, and everybody's analyzing what they think is going to happen. People are still buying to try to make a little money. People are trying to take profits and get out. It's just a lot of psychology goes along with trading, so it's pretty neat. I love it. Some days I freaking hate it. There's the days obviously I lose money. Some days I absolutely love it, like today. I mean, I did have a couple trades in here where I lost money, but I was never in the red. I was in the green all day. My first trade was near like $400. I had a pretty good cushion, so it was a very, very good day of trading. And I was done. Let's see, my last trade was at 10:14, so I got done 15 minutes early. After that trade, I was like, I'm done. I'm walking away, because I was set on the day, up $800 and something. And then this lunch hour trade. So before I quit for the day, my last exit was $63, and it was up like $15 above that whenever I decided to take another trade. So let's make this bigger. Zoom like this. Let's make it a 5-minute chart. So yeah, I mean it did U-shape down and around. So I mean if I'd have stuck around, I could have probably lost money here trying to buy a dip or something. So I mean it was a good thing I walked away at that time. It worked out perfect. So yeah, I'm very happy with today's trades. Yeah, very happy. So we'll be back at it tomorrow. We'll definitely be watching KRTX to see what it does. I mean, it could fall back down to $50-$60 and have like a mid-candle breakout pattern set up for Wednesday. So we'll just have to see what happens. Oh, and I had another stock on watch that did well, and I didn't even get to trade it because I was so focused on the trade that I did make. But I had LK on watch because someone in chat called it out, and I was watching for it to break this level at $26. Now at $26, I probably would have bought 300 shares. So 246, maybe like $7,500 or something. I don't know. I'm not gonna do the math in my head, but it did come up to the level. Break. And I would have bought this candle for sure. I would have probably marketed it or ordered in 300 shares, possibly getting filled at like $26.75, whatever, and it run all the way up to $30, that would have been a very, very nice trade. Probably would have made another $300 or $400 on this trade, but I missed it because everyone was watching KRTX. So, anyways, we're done for the day. Thanks for watching.